Friends, in jungle fight never happens on the basis of weight, just like we humans do. Fights take place in the jungle for showing strength, food and sometimes even for fun. But sometimes there is a fight between such animals, seeing which you can get bewildered. This snake made a big mistake when it enters into the bulldog yard, and the result of that is in front of you. On this day, the real power of dog bite would have known to this snake. Sleeping animals should never be disturbed, and on that day this lioness must have got the real proof of that. This tiger decided that the baby bear would be great food for him today. But it was just a dream for him because the bear mother was waiting for him and suddenly she attacked the tiger. Tiger was so scared that he thought it better to run away from here. So friends, these were some videos in which animal choose a wrong opponent. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your loving ones. Have a nice day.